Hello, we're going to spend some time looking at how to identify trigonometric functions, that is, sine and cos functions, for this video anyway. Okay, here's the first one. For all the graphs I'm going to show you, the x-axis goes from minus 90 to 450, minus 90, 450, and the y-axis goes from minus 4 to 4, minus 4, 4. It's in degrees. Okay, here's the first function. It goes through 0, 1. It goes down and up. The period is 360 degrees. The amplitude from the center to the max is 1. So that's, of course, y equals cos x, a basis graph that you really need to know. Here's another one. It goes through 0, 0. Goes up, down, up. 360 degrees is the period. Amplitude is 1. Y equals sine x. Those two graphs you really need to know off by heart, inside out, upside down. Okay, here's something a bit harder. It looks just like cos x. It's got the period of 360 degrees, but the amplitude, the distance from the center to the max, or the center to the min, is 2. So it's y equals 2 cos x. This one looks like sine x. Okay, it goes from 0, 0 up to 360, 0. Period is 360. It's just like sine x, except amplitude of 3. Y equals 3 sine x. This one also looks like sine x, but a bit different. The period is still 360 degrees, so that's y equals sine x. But instead of going through 0, 0, it goes through 0 minus 1. So that means we've got to put a minus 1 on the end. It's been moved, the whole graph has been moved down 1. Okay, and the amplitude is now 2. So that's the equation. Y equals 2 sine x minus 1. This also looks like sine x. The amplitude of this is now 3. But instead of a period of 360 degrees, it's a period of 180 degrees. Or, in other words, in 360 degrees there are 2 periods. So I have to put a number 2 in there. Y equals 3 sine 2x. This also looks a bit like sine, because it crosses the y-axis in the center. So it's y equals sine. But instead of going through 0, 0, it goes through 0 minus 2. So I have to put a minus 2 on the end. The whole graph's been moved down 2. And sine went up, and then down, and then up. This is going down, and then up, and then down. Still with a period of 360, but it goes down, down, instead of up, down, up. So that means it's negative sine x. Y equals negative sine x minus 2. This one also goes down, up, down. So it's sine x, because the center of the graph crosses the y-axis, has a period of 360 degrees, but it's been moved up 1, so I put a plus 1 on the end. But the amplitude is 3, and it goes down, up, down, so it's negative 3. Okay. This graph looks like cos, because it crosses the y-axis at a maximum. It's been moved down 1. The center of the graph used to be 0, 0, now it's minus 1, so I have to put a minus 1 there. The amplitude from the center to the maximum is 2, so there's a 2 there. Okay, and in 360 degrees there is 1, 2, 3 periods, so that's a 3. Or you can say the period's 120, 360 divided by 120 is 3. Okay, hope you learned something. Enjoy.